Of war over the old South Park school is still ongoing this evening. A hearing today to decide the fate of the school ended just before 6:30 tonight without a resolution. Here's the background. In November of 2007, Beaumont voters approved a $389 million bond proposal, which included building a new South Park middle school. A month ago, the Beaumont Heritage Society filed an injunction against the district to stop the demolition of the old building to make way for the new one. Days later, a judge awarded a group a temporary restraining order until the courts could decide whether to grant that injunction. And that decision-making hearing began today. Ashley Rodriguez was in the courtroom this afternoon, and she has all of the details of the day's discussions. Ashley?
Well, Kelly, today's hearing started off and stayed in the hands of the plaintiff, whose goal is to prove the district lied to voters, to show South Park has historical significance, and to explain how the district is being financially irresponsible in choosing to tear down the building. BISD Superintendent Dr. Carol Thomas spent the majority of the day on the stand. Plaintiff's attorney Mike Getz questioned Thomas about changes in the plans for South Park throughout the bond development process and after the bond was passed by voters. Getz's goal was to prove the district misled voters about its intentions for the future of the school. BISD's attorney Melody Chappelle spent her time with Thomas establishing a trend showing the district maintained its intentions to tear down South Park without the option of renovation. Both sides feel their goals were established well today.
I think that we're showing that there were representations made. I think Dr. Thomas has admitted that there were representations made and that the electorate relied on those representations in making their vote.
I think it's clear that the board is following what the voters voted on. It included recommendations that there be a new South Park built and that as much of the existing school that we could save, we would do that.
By law, this hearing was only allowed to be held today because of the restraining order limit, but both parties this evening agreed to extend the order through tomorrow to finish the hearing. Court will continue at 9:30 a.m. Ashley Rodriguez, 6 News Tonight.
A new Texas law will give city and county leaders the right to compel